Welcome to an insightful journey into the realm of manufacturing efficiency. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to unpack the concept of OEE, or Overall Equipment Effectiveness, a critical productivity benchmark in the manufacturing industry. By the end of this video, you'll understand what OEE is, how it can help enhance your processes, and why it might just be the key to unlocking your manufacturing potential. So, let's unravel the mystery behind this powerful tool. Let's dive into the world of overall equipment effectiveness. OEE is a top-notch measure of productivity within the manufacturing industry. It takes into account the quality of the end products, the performance of manufacturing processes, and the availability of assets. All of these factors contribute to what we call an OEE score. This score can be compared with scores of other companies or used as a benchmark to improve manufacturing processes overall. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does OEE help you understand? Well, by using it as a benchmark, as part of a lean manufacturing initiative, or as a key performance indicator within Industry 4.0, you can uncover your underlying losses, eliminate waste, and discover ways to improve your production processes. OEE is a fantastic tool for measuring real-time condition monitoring. It collects data from sensors and other sources to trigger predictive maintenance orders. By decreasing downtime through detailed data analysis, you can increase the availability of assets component of OEE. This means that when a facility has ready access to its asset performance data and ongoing maintenance records, it can respond faster and more efficiently to work order requests. It can also schedule preventive maintenance tasks to improve product quality and manufacturing performance. Here's a fun fact for you. The world-class standard for OEE is 77% or greater. But although OEE is an extremely useful measure, it cannot be an absolute one. Instead, it provides a broad scope of how performance improvements may be working or not working. For instance, if a company prioritizes reducing its cycle time, its OEE score will increase because this organization will be able to produce more items using fewer resources. However, comparing one company that manufactures only a few products at a high volume against another company that produces customized products at a low volume, the OEE score alone may not be the best measure. The latter company will need to stop and start their processes more than the former because of the customized product offering. But if the customization company can charge a high price for the unique product, the frequent changeovers and lower OEE may be justified. And with that, we've come to the end of our video. We've explored the concept of OEE, its role in enhancing manufacturing processes, and how it can be a key to unlocking your manufacturing potential. We hope you found this information valuable. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help you improve your manufacturing processes, please visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.